great. Okay, it goes right here. Well, it's time for the what you call thing, and the strings. I think it's called a bridge. Of course, I'm the last one in the world to know which one goes where. So, just put the bridge in. I can't put that in until I get the strings on, because the bridge will fall out. But I don't know which way it goes. I'll have to look that up. But got the big one in there. Now I'm working on the little one so that keep this, whatever the heck. I think it's the bridge. Alrighty, now let's see. Okay, fixing to put in the last one. And you're a little shy about it. I've never done it before, so if I can do it, you can do it. Thunder in the clouds. Well, by golly, it's got them all strung in. I don't know if it's right or not. Take it over and have my professional guitar player tune this thing up for me, and I'll sure let you know what it sounds like. Alright, we'll see you in a while.